We continue to maintain that there is gold in agriculture. There is proof in this in men like San Ildefonso Bulacan's Ampalaya King, Roy Concepcion. Bitter as Ampalaya or bitter gourd is, the returns from Ampalaya production are proving to be sweet to Roy. This report from Fe Ramirez.
Seminars conducted by the Department of Agriculture launched Roy Concepcion's claim to fame as Ampalaya King. Raised in farming, Roy gained much knowledge and training from these seminars.
Kasi po ako nagsimula, hindi naman po ako talaga marunong magtanim ng ampalaya. Kaya lang po, siyempre, kapapaseminar nga po ng DA, ng Department of Agriculture, nakakumbida po kami sa seminar, nakakaatim po. Hanggang po natuto kami sa pag-seminar, hanggang po natuto na kami pag-aatanim ng ampalaya. Dati po, kapraso lang yung unti-unti, siyempre, di pa po marunong.
The vegetable with the one distinction, bitterness, now leads in production. Over the years, it has proven to be cost-efficient and can deliver impressive yields over a period of more than 1 year. Roy was on his 15th Ampalaya harvest for the season when we visited him. The produce is sorted according to size and physical attributes and then packaged for delivery to Roy's markets in Metro Manila. Today, Roy is on to organic farming, the better to produce chemical residue-free ampalaya.
Nababago na po kasi po dati nung hindi kulang sa seminar, panay po spray insecticide. Ngayon po kung umuusto sa seminar, ngayon po ito, binabawasan na po yung insecticide. Kung kasi nag-invento na lang ng mga gamot bang organic.
He alternates ampalaya with other vegetable varieties, among them chili pepper, so that he can maximize his efforts in land preparation. With ampalaya production alone, Roy now has 4 college graduates among his 6 children. His wife has worked silently behind him all these years.
Ito po yung miss ko na pag po dito, parang na nag-harvest. Pag parang po harvest, ano po, tutulong po sa kasi nga po, kami nga po merong anak, minsan po, kami nilang dalawa sa bahay, kaya mahirap naman pala yung konti. Pagka kami alala pang kasama sa bahay. Kagaya po nung dalawa, tatlo namin anak nasa Manila.
Barring typhoons that are his natural enemy, Roy maintains his reputation as top ampalaya producer in town, which is now known as the Vegetable Bowl of Bulacan. He is confident that even with competition, he can keep his position because he has learned enough techniques to survive, lead, and continue earning. For People's Television News Live, Fe Ramirez.